Start the sketch in the front view and define the dimensions according to the drawing. Apply the extrusion feature with a distance of 40 millimeters. Proceed to draw the first side fin. To save time in the design, apply symmetry by creating a new plane. For the symmetry, select the extrusion and cut features. On a new plane, draw a rectangle and then extrude it. To avoid additional operations, include the 5 mm fillets directly in the sketch. Finally, create the previous solid at the other end of the part using a linear pattern, so you can avoid generating an additional plane and sketch. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!